Hi. What's up? This video is going to be quick because I go to work here shortly, but I ordered from Ulta. Exciting. I'm also whitening my teeth right now, so if I sound weird, that's why. Because I'm either tanning tomorrow or Friday, and I want my teeth to look really white, so that is why. I couldn't find my scissors, so I'm trying to use an eyeshadow brush to open this. Yay! Exciting! So, they were having a really good sale on, like, everything. So, I bought in bulk. Stuff for me and my mama. My dog just went under my bed. Huh, okay. So, first thing is this Full and Soft Maybelline mascara, which you can't find at Walmart anymore. And then for mom, I got her some Olay Regenerist stuff. I don't know. And then I got her this Olay Regenerist with retinol. Ooh. Ooh, honey. Oh! I'm sorry. Anyways, the mascaras, we got 3 in total. Guys, I just can't find them anymore. So, like, stock up on them. I'm so stupid. And then eyeliners. I got mom hooked on NYX, and it's so cute because she calls it NYX, which it is, but it isn't. You feel me? And I just got her 2 of the blue shades. It's in the deep blue, both of them. But they're just, I love. So nice. It's not focusing. Anyways, I tried. Like I said, this video is going to be super quick. So far, all of that stuff has been from my mom. But I shop at Ulta a lot, so I had points for like $50 off. So I ordered me some Loving Tan self-tanner because I'm almost out of mine. And this one still has the lid, which is really nice. But this is just in the shade medium, and it's the 2 Hour Express. If you guys have seen the video where I put on self-tanner, this is what I use. So that's it. That was everything. Her stuff was like 80 something. This is like $38, but with my $50 discount, we only ended up having to pay like $70. So it's fine. Shop at Ulta, get points. If it's your birthday month, you get double points. So like, hey. But yeah, 1,000 points is $50. So I love the lisp I have. It's great. Anyways, yeah, I also got stuff from Ross. Like, maybe I'll film a haul of that. I don't know. Because it's all just like health stuff. Like, I got vitamins and not protein powder, but like supplement powder. Yeah. Anyways, I'm getting old, so. Oh, if you watched my FabFitFun unboxing, I talked about this lipstick, which I hated because it tasted disgusting. My boy liked it a lot. I'm gonna put it on even though I have on whitening strips. it was so funny because he kept staring at my lips, but he didn't actually ever say anything. He would just like turn around and look at them. And then eventually he was like, "Are you wearing lipstick?" And it's like, "Yeah." He was like, "You look nice." We love awkward boys. Because me, I seduce people with my awkwardness, so get you an awkward boy who's just as stupid as you are. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as you do, because 88% of you aren't subscribed, and we need to work on that. Come on. 700 subscribers by my birthday? Can we do that? Can we? The 20th is my birthday. Today is the 4th. That's 16 days, y'all. Do it for me, please. Please, honey. I need it. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Look how cute I look with my whitening strips.